Welcome to my comprehensive review of Finance Pal, a personal finance app designed to help users take control of their money and reach their financial goals. Today, I'll walk you through every aspect of this app, from its core features to its interface and overall user experience, to help you decide if Finance Pal is worth your time. When you first open Finance Pal, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. At a glance, you can see your account balances, recent transactions, and a snapshot of your spending habits. This layout makes it easy for users to quickly understand their financial situation without feeling overwhelmed by numbers. Point one of Finance Pal's standout features is its budgeting tool. It allows you to set up customized budgets for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. The app tracks your spending in real time and alerts you when you're nearing your limit in any category. This is incredibly helpful for staying on track with your financial goals. Another powerful feature is the expense tracker. You can sync Finance Pal with your bank accounts and credit cards, enabling automatic transaction imports. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving time and ensuring accuracy. The app categorizes expenses automatically, although you can adjust these categories to suit your needs. Finance Pal also includes a goal-setting feature. Whether you're saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or planning for a big purchase, the app helps you set clear financial goals. It breaks them down into manageable milestones, showing you exactly how much you need to save each month to achieve them. Security is a top priority with Finance Pal. The app uses bank-grade encryption to ensure your financial data is safe and secure. You also have the option to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. In terms of usability, Finance Pal scores high. The app is easy to navigate, even for beginners. The design is sleek, and the tutorials provided make it simple to get started. Plus, the customer support is responsive, offering help through in-app chat, email, or a detailed FAQ section. However, like any app, Finance Pal has its drawbacks. The free version offers basic features, but to unlock advanced tools, like detailed financial reports and investment tracking, you'll need to subscribe to the premium plan. Depending on your needs, this might be a worthwhile investment, but it's something to consider. Overall, Finance Pal is a robust and user-friendly personal finance app that caters to a wide range of users, from those just starting their financial journey to seasoned budgeters looking for a powerful tool. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of apps and tools that can help you take control of your finances. Thanks for watching.